Guys, I'm here with the Samsung flagship Samsung Galaxy S9, the super amazing device with the amazing camera, which is one of the best devices in 2018. So, guys, here are some of specifications. It's a 5.8 Quad HD plus Super AMOLED display with a super speed dual pixel camera, 20 megapixel with optical image stabilization, super slow motion uh, recording at 960 frame per second, 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera, stereo speakers, IP68 water resistant, iris scanner, 64 GB internal storage, 4 GB RAM, wireless charging. There is a S9 Plus, which is bigger than this one, uh, and it's uh, cheaper, of course. So, okay, let's open it. So, absolutely stylish box. So this is the Midnight Black model, dual SIM variant. Look at this box. SIM eject tool, quick start guide. Here we go. Just awesome. Look at this styling. So USB Type C cable, AKG headphones. It's the same as S8 model. Euro cushions. This is the micro USB connector, adapter, USB OTG from USB Type C to USB, and fast charging adapter. Okay, it's time to start the device. Front, back, front and back is the glass, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. On the left side there is a power button, speaker, main microphone, USB Type-C port, 3.5 headphone jack, Bixby button, and volume rocker. So here are the SIM slot and micro SD card slot, noise cancellation microphone, quad quad LED, heart rate sensor, fingerprint scanner, and 20 megapixel dual pixel camera. Okay. So this one is with 4 gig of RAM, size 8. S9 Plus is with 6 gig of RAM and dual camera with depth sensor. Okay, all done. So just pretty fast device with absolutely software user interface by Samsung. Here is the iris scanner, light sensor and proximity sensor, earpiece and front-facing camera. Here is the super slow motion mode. There are the hyperlapse, selective focus, pro mode, panorama, and photo mode. So it support 4K capture at 16 frames per second. As you can see, just amazing device, good stand in hand. Louder stereo speakers. Okay guys, this is the quick unboxing and review video of Samsung Galaxy S9. Subscribe for more videos and see you next time.